case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A group of artists found themselves in a legal battle in 1995 to protect their artwork installed in a commercial building's lobby after new management, Helmsley-Spear Inc., took over and decided to remove the existing artwork. The case, Carter v. Helmsley-Spear Inc., centered around whether artists have the right to protect their art under the law, preventing destruction, modification, or attribution without their permission. The artists sued to protect their rights and were granted an injunction by the lower court, which determined that their artwork was protected under the Visual Artists' Rights Act, VARA, a federal law protecting artists' moral rights. The lower court also had to classify the artists as either independent contractors or employees. The artists were ultimately classified as employees, resulting in the denial of their VARA protection. Both parties appealed various aspects of the ruling, leading to the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit hearing the case. The appeals court reversed and vacated the injunction granted to the artists as the artwork was created by employees and therefore not protected by VARA. However, the dismissal of the counterclaim for waste was affirmed by the decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.